Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Alfa Romeo Tonale. So this idiots put some sticker on it. So actually the card looks really beautiful, but I can't able to show it to you right now. Okay, so I think this one was bought from First Cry if I'm not wrong. So one of my friend actually bought this for me. His name is Umar Shankar. Really thanks to him because when I was looking for this model and first time I really missed it out, and finally he got this for me. So the MRP is 349. We actually bought a little bit lesser than the MRP. I really don't remember how much it is now, but it's a bit less. If you're a first cry user, you will know how much this now this cost in that website. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, this is not working out. Let's do it our way. Okay, let's take this card out. Okay, let's remove this as well, and let's throw everything away. Okay, so here is the card. So this graphics looks really nice. It looks really beautiful. And here are the details of the car. Okay, let's move to the car now. Okay, here it is. So the paint job looks really nice. It has some scratches here, as you can see, the hood, and here a little bit, yeah, a little bit on the top as well. So the casting is really light than I actually expected. So my personal favorite thing is, see, the grill details and everything. These are embossed. These are not just painted, and it actually has some kind of fiber for headlights. And the logo placement is pretty amazing. The rims looks really nice. So I've seen very few Majorettes with this particular set of rims. I think I also own only very one or two, including this one. So the tail lights are painted, and it has some good amount of scratches here. So see, personally, I don't like purchasing these things from First Cry because they don't ship anything with care. It's just like it will come to you like a garbage. It doesn't matter how much valuable it is. So I like to personally avoid First Cry. So whatever I unboxed so far, in Majorettes previously, like couple of months back before I started doing Hot Wheels. So all I bought actually from my local shop. You can see those cars. It doesn't have any scratches or anything. Only one broke down, which I bought it in my Dubai visit. During my Dubai visit, but apart from that one, rest all are like it looked really nice. It has some good interior detailing on it. The doors opens really wide, unlike Matchbox and all. And it opens a little bit. It doesn't open all the way. It just opens like this. And it's good that they included the rear view mirrors. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yes, it does have suspension. Major, it never disappoints on that part. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, 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 no. It doesn't roll really well. It is really heavy while rolling, and actually the wheels doesn't wobble a lot, but still it is not fast or anything. It has a lot of friction. But anyway, I'm not going to play with any majorettes or in general any casting. But this actually looks really beautiful. I wish there was no scratches on the windshield. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And again, once again, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.